Hello, my name is Nigel Smalls from infraredaustralia.com.au and I'm here to show you how to put the mounting bracket in the rear of the Heliosa range of shortwave infrared heaters. There is an option with the 11 as well as a 44 to use a bracket that allows for removing of the heater and taking it away. So this part of the bracket would be mounted to a wall, fixed permanently, and then the second part of it is this cast aluminium rod with a screw in it. You use the bolt that is usually used to attach the wall bracket to the half moon, and you place that between the half moon up, and then once you've got in the right position again, you can pop that through and it'll be at the right height. If you want to take it away, you pull it out and take it away. Useful for some situations where you've got insecure access on the street or something like that. There is also a long bracket be used under certain sorts of awnings. The same principle applies as the short bracket that comes with the heater, which is that you have a little a screwing point that allows you to screw to a piece of metal, a spar or something like that, or over the top of something. Same thing applies here. You use the screw that you have, the bolt that you have to attach the half moon. And then attach it over the top of something or screw it together. And there you go. So the long bracket and the short bracket are designed to fit over a spar, whether that be part of an umbrella or an awning or the top of a partition, and then you can just screw them to that to secure it. Once it's secured, you can then actually move the heater 90 degrees either way, or near to 90 degrees either way, so that you don't have to have the spar in line with where you want to heat. Goes 90 degrees either way, you don't have to have it pointing that way. And indeed, there's some situations where, particularly with the short bracket, which we'll show you, they're actually placed on umbrellas at angles such as that. This short bracket or the long bracket are used to mount to awnings, top of partitions, and under umbrellas. You don't have to have the heater exactly in the same direction as you want to have to mount it. You can mount up to 90 degrees either way, nearly 90 degrees either way, and then you've got the ability to move it up or down depending on what you need. In fact, on some heaters systems, in the event of being under umbrella, the heater is actually mounted on a spar at an angle, so because it's the only way of doing it. So that's how you install the mounting bracket on the Heliosa range of shortwave infrared heaters. For more information, visit infraredaustralia.com.au or infraredheating.com.au.